Hi everyone, my name is Viraj Siddharth. Today date is 26 26 May 2022. Today's topic is linked list. Linked list can be defined as a collection of objects called as nodes that are randomly stored in the memory. A node contains two fields, that is data stored at that particular address and the pointer which contains the address of the next node in the memory. The last node of the list contains pointer to the null and linked list in which users of the linked list is not required to the continuously present in the memory. The node can reside the anywhere in the memory and link list together to make a list. This actually optimized utilization of space, and list is a limited to the memory size and does not need to be declared in advance. Empty node and cannot be present in the linked list. We can store values of for primitive types or objects in the singly linked list. Why use linked list over array? Till now we are using array data structure to organize the group of elements that are to be stored in the uh, individually in the memory. And however, array has several advantages and disadvantages which must be known as order to decide the data structure which will be the used throughout the program. And array contains following limitations. Limitations in which the size of array must be known in the advance before using in the program, and increasing size of the array is a time taking process. It is almost impossible to expand the size of array and at runtime, and all the elements in the array need to be continuously stored in the memory, and inserting of any element in the array needs shifting of all its predecessors. And linked list is the data structure which can overcome all the limitations of an array. Using linked list is useful because it allocates the memory dynamically. All the nodes on linked list are non-continuously stored in the memory, and linked list together helps of the pointers. Sizing is longer problem since we do not need to define its size, and time is declaration, and list grows as per the program demand and limited to the available memory space. And singly linked list or one way chain singly linked list chain defined as the collection of order a set of elements. The number of elements vary according to the program. Node and the singly linked list consist of two parts: stores actually information to the stores of actually information to the and represents the node, while linked list part of the stores address of its immediate process and successor. Thank you.